Hello everyone. So today, welcome back. I'm going to do a video of unboxing. For today, I'm going to unbox a keyboard that I bought recently in Singapore. It's from a brand called 8BitDo. So this keyboard is a Retro 108 mechanical keyboard. And in Singapore, I bought this for 179.9 cents Singaporean dollars. And before we unbox, I want to apologize first. Like this video is conducted amateurly. Like this is in my bed, and I'm doing one-handed. So yeah, bear with me, guys. First of all, I would like to show the front cover. Here's the front cover. There's nothing on the side. Yeah, nothing on the right side as well. This is the top, the back, and finally this is the keyboard itself. I mean, what you're going to get, like the specs and everything. So what's unique is, since this is a retro keyboard, right? Like it's specifically it's for users who's wanting to have a nostalgia on Nintendo Entertainment System. So there's like a specialized button here, like it's a BA, and there's another special button here. I think this is like separate from the keyboard. So let's take a look. And this is the specifications itself. It's mechanical switches, thank God, and it's also available using Bluetooth and or USB. I hope it's Type C. All right, so let's get going. Hold on. Everything is conducted using one hand, so I hope that you can bear with me on this one. I promise you it wouldn't take long. So this is the plastic, the keyboard itself. Alright, you gotta turn it around, turn it around, turn it around. How about if I pause this and I'll get back to you later, guys? Hold on. Alright, so I've taken out the plastic. I needed like 2 hands for this, so here's the continuation of the video, and let's see what's inside. Okay, yo, look at this, check it out. Look at the switches. And hold on, let me take off the plastic first then. Alright, this is what you get. You're going to get the keyboard itself, and there's stickers like Control C, Control V, SOS, emo, oops, game over, 404, and enter. I think this is a very retro like, and you get this stickers as well. And then you'll get, here is the other what do you call this? Separate button that you'll use. I think this is specifically made for people who want to play retro games on your PC. And because like NES is using A and B, right? So this is the button that it's a headphone jack. Okay, so I think I need to deep dive on what this button does actually. And you got the USB-C, and you got the manuals, I believe. You got manuals here. Everything. And finally, I want to unbox this beast, bro. I'm gonna open this sleeve delicately. I don't want to ruin it, in the hopes that I'm gonna use it, you know, to store my previous keyboard, so it wouldn't get dust. But yeah, or maybe I don't care. I think I'm just gonna ruin the plastic, so it'll take much shorter time to unbox this keyboard itself. Alright, this is it. This is the keyboard. And yeah, look at the click. Okay, oh, it sounds so good. Yeah, the main reason why I bought this keyboard is because first it looks really good. Like it have the retro vibes. And oh yeah, here's the button for if you want to set it on Bluetooth or via cable. And this is the volume itself. And I'm not sure about this button though. And this, yeah, I'm gonna learn actually. Oh, but it's on. So yeah, there it is. This is the full unboxing of the 8BitDo Retro 108 mechanical keyboard. You get these items here. So yeah, hope you like it. Don't forget to give a like, please, since I'm a new YouTuber. Subscribe, and also for engagement purposes, yeah, do leave a comment like what to improve and what do you like about this video. Hope you all have a nice day. Bye bye.